Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. While you can automatically add most bank and credit card accounts to your chart of accounts when you connect them to the online banking feature, there are some accounts that you might need to add manually, things like loan accounts or asset accounts. Or maybe you just want to track a smaller savings account manually and not deal with the individual transactions. Let's go over how to manually add an account to your chart of accounts, and why the opening balance is so important. Then we'll go over how to add multiple accounts at the same time. Note that we'll go over how to do this in Business View. If you're in Accountant View, the experience is different, and you should watch this other video instead. To start, we'll create a new account. From the chart of accounts, select New. Then select Category to choose the type of account you want to create. For this example, we'll set up a business bank account, which is a checking account. Then give the account a name. Now you decide when you want to start tracking the account. This is the opening balance. Pick a day to start tracking all of your business transactions in QuickBooks. Most businesses choose to start tracking accounts from the beginning of the year. That way QuickBooks matches your bank records from the start. Note that this is only necessary for accounts you enter yourself. When you connect a bank account to online banking, QuickBooks handles all of this for you. Then enter the amount of money you had in the real-life bank account on that day. The best way to find this is on your bank or credit card statement. This number is very important. It becomes the account's starting point and ensures QuickBooks starts from the same point. When you're done, select Save. Now you're ready to start recording new payments and deposits that happened after the starting date you choose. You don't need to enter anything that cleared the account before that date. If you decide later on you want to add transactions before the opening balance date, we recommend working with your accountant. Remember, all of your old transactions were summarized in the opening balance. If you add them now without adjusting the opening balance, you'll count your money twice. If you have several accounts to add, you can speed up the process by uploading a spreadsheet with the detail type, account name, account number, and account type of each account. To do that, select Settings, Import Data. Then select Chart of Accounts. Attach the spreadsheet and select Next. Then map the fields in your spreadsheet with the fields in QuickBooks. Once you've got everything matched up, select Next. You can make any final changes here. When you're done, select Import. Go to your chart of accounts and you'll see all your new accounts. Note that when you import accounts, you can't bring in their opening balances. You'll need to add those after. But make sure you do, as the opening balances are very important. Now you're ready to enter your own accounts one by one or in a batch.